Welcome everyone, student of class 5. Previous video I taught you about why do we need formatting and what is formatting. Now today I teach you about how to format a paragraph. Student, in MS Word every paragraph can be marked off from another. Each paragraph can have its own unique formatting characteristics such as alignment, spacing and style. There is a paragraph mark that separates one paragraph from another. Student, in MS Word paragraph will be marked off from others and each paragraph has its unique formatting and its alignment is spacing and style, and there are paragraph mark whatever you separate one paragraph from another. Okay, a paragraph mark or pilcrow represent that the end of paragraph or paragraph break. After this sign, MS Word starts a new paragraph. Now students, this also marks the place in the document where you have pressed enter or return on your keyboard. Some steps, that is, click on the file tab, click on options, then now click on display. Then next point student, paragraph formatting. The paragraph formatting options are in the paragraph group. Click on the home tab. कहाँ click करेंगे? Home tab पे. Then click on the small arrow in the paragraph group to launch the paragraph dialog box. The paragraph dialog box in MS Word has formatting options. There are 4 options. First one is alignment, second one is indentation, third one is paragraph spacing, and last one is borders. Okay, now what is alignment? Alignment make the alignments of a paragraph that is left, right, center or justify. Students, आप जो भी टाइप कर रहे हैं, जो भी टेक्स्ट आप टाइप कर रहे हैं MS Word में, उस alignments को आप अरेंज कर सकते हैं लेफ्ट से, राइट से, सेंटर से और जस्टिफाई. ओके, देन इंडेंटेशन. इन इंडेंटेशन यू कैन इंडेंट अ पैराग्राफ यूजिंग दिस ऑप्शन. इंडेंटेशन के ऑप्शंस में जाकर के आप पैराग्राफ को इंडेंट कर सकते हैं. सी हियर figure 3.5 paragraph marks option in a paragraph group. First one, see, this is right, left, center and justify. Then paragraph spacing. Between two letters you give space by the using of paragraph spacing. Now second one is alignment. Alignment is left, right, center and justify. Now students, this is to align the text to the left. Left alignment means that the text begins from the left margin of the ruler. What is centrally alignment? Central alignment means that the paragraph begins from the middle and each line is at equal distance from either sides of the document margins. Then next, text to the right. Right alignment means that text begins from the right margin of the rulers, and justify alignment means text both left and right margins. Then next topic is indentation. You can indent a paragraph and set its left and right margins. When you indent a paragraph, you have to set left and right margins. Then spacing. You can specify the space between paragraph and give a space before and after a paragraph by using the spacing section of the paragraph. Okay, then line spacing. When you type anything, you give space by the help of line spacing. See here figure number 3.12, line spacing option. Here is single spacing, line spacing option, then after 1.5 lines, then double, then at least, then exactly, then multiples. Whatever you want, you select these and then give the line spacing by the help of these options. Okay, then next topic is student, setting text in columns. How you setting text in columns? To setting text in columns, first you select the text, then you click on the page layout tab, then you click or select columns from the page setup groups, then you give the numbers of column and then click OK. When you give these types of steps, when you type these types of space, then setting text in columns. All columns is in set form. Then last topic is printing a document. How you print a document? To get a print option, click on the file tab. File tab में जाकर के print का option आता है, उस पर आप click करेंगे, एक menu open होगा. Clicking on the print, then select the printer whatever you used. When you select the printer, there are 4 ranges or there are 4 options. First one is print all pages, second is print selection, third is print current page, and last one is print current. In print all pages, when you click on print all pages of the document. When you click print selection, then you select the part of the text. When you click print current pages, you give or you print currently visible on the screen. Or last, print custom range. When you select print customs, then select the number of pages, whatever you want. You enter page number or page range separated by commas. जैसे example 2, 4, 5, 224, 27, 23. Whatever you want, it is done. Now students, here is activity. See activity. Open the file Autography of a Mango Tree. Save in the My Documents folder. Then now print the file with this specification. Select 2 columns of the articles to print. The printout should be portrait orientation. Make sure you select the current printer or print 2 copies of the selected part of the file. Okay, you do activities by the help of computer. Now today 3rd chapter completed. Next day I will give you objective type of questions and question and answers. Whatever I give you, you write down in your notebook and completed your notebook chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. If you have any problem, please write down in the comment box. I sort out your problem in the next videos. Thank you.